Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see some simple tips to make our Windows 10 PC fast. As we all know, Windows 10 offers its default setting which is well suited for all the users around the globe. As we continue to download files and install software, the performance of our system decreases at a steady rate. By doing some fine adjustment on Windows 10 settings, we can improve the efficiency of our system. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the method that will make our Windows 10 work much faster. So method 1 is use disk cleanup to remove unwanted files. You have to go to disk cleanup. So to do that, you simply have to open the start menu and type disk cleanup. So you will get an app for disk cleanup which is by default provided. You can select the drive for which you want to do that, like I will do for my D drive. So simply I click OK. It will analyze the drive and it will show you if there is any unwanted files. You simply check those things and click OK. So it will delete all the temporary files from the system. You can able to see it is doing that. I will show you for other drive also. So like we have selected for C drive. It is analyzing the drive. It will show the temporary internet files, downloaded program files, if there is any thumbnails, recycle bin, if having any data, any optimization files. So you simply check those box and click OK. So it will delete all the files and clean your system. Second method is you can disable the background applications. To do that, you have to open settings. In privacy, you have to go to background apps. In background app, if you don't want any background app to be running, you simply disable this. All the background app will be disabled from here. So if there is any specific app you want to run, so you disable all the unwanted application from here, and you only allow those applications to run from background which are required. So this will also improve the performance of your machine, and it will stop background consumption of your data and CPU. So another method is you can disable startup programs. To disable the startup program, you have to open the task manager. So you can open task manager from here, or you can simply press Control Shift and Escape. So task manager will appear in front of you. So you have to go to startup. In startup, you can able to see there are a lot of programs which are enabled and lot of programs are disabled also. So if you want any program not to begin whenever you are opening the system, you simply right click over there and click on disable. So it will disable that particular program on a startup. Next time whenever your machine got start, it won't enable that particular application on the startup. It will disable that application. So this way you can also improve the performance of your machine, delete the unwanted temporary files. So this thing we are generally doing on our machine. We simply go to run command and type %stamp to delete all the temporary files. So you can simply select all and delete all the temporary files from the machine. You can use %stamp. You can use temp to delete the other temporary files. The last one is prefetch. Whenever you are facing the problem of slowness of machine, you can just delete all those temporary file. So this will instantly improve the performance of your machine. Further, you can also optimize your power plan which you have configured. So you can use high performance plan instead of balanced, which is recommended by Windows. For doing that, you have to go to settings, and then you have to go to system. In system, power and sleep is an option, so you can just adjust the power setting from here. So you can enable this power saver mode from here, or you can customize the plan. You can use high performance, so you can change as per your requirement. You can uninstall the unwanted applications from your machine if any of the applications is not in use, or if you don't require that application and it is unwantedly installed on your machine. So you can simply remove those applications which are not required. So you simply select the particular application which is not in use. You can uninstall from any of the application which is not in use. You can simply uninstall those applications. So this will also improve the performance of your machine, because whenever you are having some undesirable programs installed on your system, they're consuming some space on your device, and you don't do a lot of search in your Windows machine. So you can disable this indexing feature, will be a better one. So to stop or disable the search indexing process, you just need to make the changes in computer management. So for doing that, you simply have to right click on my PC and choose manage. You have to go to my PC and click on manage. You are into the computer management. Once you click on that, so you have to go to service and application. In service and application, you have to click on service. So you have to look out for Windows search. You can find it. This is the Windows search option here. So you can simply disable this feature from here. So if you don't use this, you can simply disable this feature, so you won't be able to search in Windows on that time, but it will definitely help you to enhance the performance of your machine. You can also hide all the non-Microsoft services. So for doing that, you have to go to run and type msconfig. So in msconfig, you have to go to services tab. Once you're in the services tab, you simply click on hide all the Microsoft services and then click OK. So it will hide all the non-Microsoft services which are running on your machine. Yeah, one more thing I would like to show, you can simply create a batch file which having some configuration for the temporary files, your cookies, your history. So to creating a batch file, you simply have to copy paste this. I will share all these things on my link description. So you can simply create a batch file from this, and whenever you want, you simply double click on that. It will automatically remove all the unnecessary or unwanted thing from your machine. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know which trick you or which let me know which one you like the most in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing and share.